Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. This is Umair Bashir and you are watching Epic Words. Today we discuss the topic of atomic structure, proton, electron and neutrons. Well, we discuss the topic of atomic structure. Well, we know that everything is made up of atoms. For example, consider salt, sugar, water, and they are all made up of atoms. Even plants and animals and humans are also made up of atoms. Now, the important question is what makes up atoms? While there are three tiny particles that make up atoms protons, electrons, and neutrons. Remember that the shape of atom is spherical like a ball. Structure of all atoms are the same. There is a dense central part in any atom known as nucleus. Secondly, there is a fixed path around the nucleus known as energy levels or shells. Protons and neutrons live in the nucleus, while electrons are revolved around the nucleus just like Earth revolve around the Earth. Sun. There is one important question. Let why electrons revolve around the nucleus or what causes electrons revolve around the nucleus? Well, remember that proton is positively charged particles and electrons is negatively charged particles. There is electrostatic forces between them. As a result to these forces, electrons revolve around the nucleus. Now, what about neutrons? Well, neutrons is a neutral particles. It does not carry positive and negative charged particles. Now, let me teach you an atom is a whole neutral particle. For example, consider hydrogen atom. We know that there is one proton in the nucleus of hydrogen, while one electron present in the nucleus. Let it revolve around the nucleus, so we can write proton is equal to positive 1 because proton is positively charged particle while electron is equal to negative 1 because electron is equal to negatively charged particles. We know that positive charge 1 and negative charge 1 cancel each other. As a result, it's equal to 0. This is a single positive neutralize single negative electrons. From this, we learned that number of protons equal to number of electrons in any atom. Let me repeat it. Number of protons equal to number of electrons in any atom. Thus, we learned that this is an atom is whole neutral particle. Now, let me teach you some amazing that happen when the number of protons and electrons increase inside the atom. Now, consider the helium atom. Now, consider the helium atom. We know that there are two protons in the nucleus of helium and two electrons revolve around the nucleus around the first shell. Now let me ask you, these two protons having same positive charge, are they repelling each other? Answer is absolute yes. According to physics convention, like charges repel each other. If they repel each other, then the structure of nucleus is disturbed, which is not acceptable. While guess something, here is a part of neutrons. As I told you, neutron is electrically neutrally charged particles. Two neutrons in the helium nucleus comes in action and separate this positive proton from this positive proton. You can also learn function of neutrons in the nucleus as considered two current carrying wires touching each other. They are protected by plastic insulation. Similarly, the neutrons act as a plastic insulation between among positively charged protons. So, by this way, repulsion among positively charged minimize among inside atoms. Secondly, consider an atom of lithium. There are 3 protons in the nucleus of and there are 3 electrons revolving around the nucleus. Just like protons, electrons also repel each other, but there is not only one shell or energy level in the lithium, but there are 2 shells or 2 energy levels in the lithium atom. First shell can hold only 2 electrons. These electrons will jump to the second shell, and second shell or second energy levels are bigger than 1 and accommodate up to 8 electrons. Also, we know that there are different energy levels like K, L, M, and N. Again, I repeat, like K, L, M, and N. So, by this way, repulsion among the negatively charges are minimized. I summarize the lecture, atom is made up of 3 tiny particles, protons, electrons, and neutrons. Secondly, we learned that atom is whole electrically neutral because number of protons equal to number of electrons. Thirdly, we learned that neutrons minimize repulsion among the protons in the nucleus. Finally, we learned that an atom consists of many shells to reduce the repulsion among the electrons. This was atomic repulsion, electrons, protons, and neutrons, and this was the atomic structure, electron, proton, and neutron.